Part 1. Introduction. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a concept from science fiction movies. It's a part of our everyday lives, and there are countless free AI tools available. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 free AI tools that anyone can use. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone curious about AI, there's something for everyone. We'll cover a wide range of tools, from writing assistants to image generators. Let's dive in and discover the amazing things you can do with AI for free. Part 2. Writing assistants. First up, let's talk about writing assistants. AI-powered writing assistants can help you with everything from brainstorming ideas to proofreading your work. Tools like Grammarly and Hemingway Editor can help you improve your writing style and grammar. For those who struggle with writer's block, there are AI tools that can generate creative text formats. You can use these tools to write blog posts, emails, and even code. Let's explore some of the best free writing assistants available. Part 3. Image generators. Next, let's turn our attention to image generators. AI can now create stunning images from simple text descriptions. Tools like DALL-E 2 and Midjourney can generate realistic images, as well as works of art. You can use these tools for everything from creating social media graphics to designing your own artwork. Let's see how these tools work and explore some of the amazing images they can create. Part 4. AI-powered voice assistants. AI-powered voice assistants have become an integral part of our daily lives. Tools like Google Assistant and Siri can help you with a variety of tasks, from setting alarms to controlling smart home devices. You can also use these assistants to get information, translate languages, and even make phone calls. Let's explore the capabilities of these powerful tools and how they can make your life easier. Part 5. AI for education. AI is revolutionizing the education industry. Tools like Khan Academy and Duolingo use AI to personalize learning experiences. These platforms can adapt to your individual needs and help you learn at your own pace. AI-powered tutoring tools can provide personalized support and feedback. Let's see how AI is transforming the way we learn and teach. Part 6. AI for creativity. AI can also be a powerful tool for creativity. Tools like MuseNet and Jukebox can generate music, while others can create poetry and scripts. AI-powered art generators can create stunning visual art. Let's explore how AI can inspire creativity and help you unleash your artistic potential. Part 7. AI for business. AI is transforming the business world. Tools like HubSpot and Salesforce use AI to improve customer service and sales. AI-powered marketing tools can help you analyze customer data and create targeted campaigns. Let's see how businesses are using AI to stay ahead of the competition. Part 8. Ethical considerations of AI. While AI offers many benefits, it's important to consider the ethical implications of its use. AI can be used to spread misinformation and create deepfakes. It's crucial to use AI responsibly and ethically. Let's discuss the ethical challenges of AI and how we can address them. Part 9. The future of AI. The future of AI is bright. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications. From self-driving cars to medical breakthroughs, AI has the potential to change the world. Let's explore the exciting possibilities of the future of AI. Part 10. Conclusion. AI is a powerful tool that can be used for good. By understanding the basics of AI and exploring the available tools, you can harness its power to improve your life. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring the world of AI today.